Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTechWorkstations. Got a special treat for you here today. So this is not a roasted maple. This is Darcy shading it so that it looks like roasted maple. And this is our compensated nut, 9 to 46 strings at concert pitch. And this is the Hank Marvin red that Darcy laid on this blue body. Spectacular job as usual. Let me flip it over, show you the back. There's the back of the body. And I added 2 extra trem springs for this guitar because Sean doesn't use a vibrato at all, 0. Now it is completely reversible. That block that you see is just press fit and can be removed at any time, if so desired. There's a quick close-up of the back of the neck. I want to flip it over because I want to talk a little bit about the electronics in this guitar. Well, Sean's father, John Till, longtime customer and of course guitarist for Janis Joplin, that's one of his biggest claims to fame, and also played for Ronnie Hawkins. John was also a big wiring guy. What you see here is a 4-way switch where the volume control is now a 3-way selector switch. The middle knob is master volume, and then the third knob is master tone with a push-pull pod. I'm going to plug it in, kind of noodle around, and just let you hear all the different sounds this thing gets. Okay, so I'm starting with a bridge pickup, and this is with that splitter pot pulled up. Next position, still got that splitter pot up. And next position. Okay, so we'll go back to the bridge now, and we'll push that splitter pot back down. Next position. Okay, I'm back to the bridge with this second master volume pot, also a splitter pot, that's pulled up. Next, pickup selector. Again. Next position. And next position. And back to the center position. So this is actually 4 position, not 5 position. Push that back in. Bridge. Sure, there's lots of other tones, but that gives you a good idea.